Sompa 93.1 on Facebook. Kuba seche. Osato so awa like wa share wa comment na bibia. Akoye pretty mera mahomena no miensabo. Ya transfere ne shootout no. Ena jedi ebro etima kosi se no na bebo. Yebe peje mu na fe na minima ba. Aba beto aso etimera ma fidioma. Michael Saribodua, Michael Akomia Jemfi. The sports Messiah and afe Bishop Atapoku and afe so no the apostle. Amunyina kan bomo fidioma omoboa. Amane wada ye pretimiera ma producers no. Ye wo Luther Ken, ye wo DJ Rocky, ye wo Nas and a Ricardo Vaz. Omo na kan boma. Omo ebo echudo man 7 ye de baba be rametimiera ma me dino abu diabina mo no. Juma die no beba waso ya sedan nko etimi fama ya boafo adane de nyina. Omo so ya se my live commentary no. Ye de baba be ram kama pretimiera ma Simen Seba Clinic obeki a weekendi commentary ne by o madaroma ye baba betrama Ricardo Vaz ebo modern etimi etramo enafe Orlando enso etu jano edi eba ya ebo man tutu ne ko ye pede man Simen no eye headquarters ye beboa na nenamia ye bia no ye hwe na ye timi etu ase o maso no ejuma mu bonti no ya bo modern etimi aboma baso zenne eye ba na ope eno so kra na nche osa na edunya diabetes no hypertension no ye bema prostate no ya na eye kesiti no ama ye de ade na kwakoto be ma mediki aka za ejekum ti asimponie na nei wakoko pienza mapom na nde wa saman kra ade no za ematu ejina so ade bu ejuma no baby girls iba na omoko amoba na omoko na na ye de bibi kokotum de na meso omo makra biem ti ozo re na ebe ma oyo prostate no ejuma na eboa na ne ma de da ye pretimiera ma babo so meso a na ubunsa ya na account dwesa na liver kidney no na afesu kra no ene o ha obia wo yema ni nyino mbe ni apoa ma ne ma koye pretimiera ma da no da abochi doctor declare ne ze bebi edu no na rawa na se ye ho hwe nyeye onko fie nkonkowu ode no to cement for so na aboa ma na abochi ene na mo abese 10 years ni no entoto ne koye pere ma no mo ma so yokwa ye wala ba ye bedo so bebi aye ne hye no ye yere ato ultrasound scan no mutwa eno na nche no omo nutritional counselor ewura meri mo bibia america akeda chosa no pa na wudi gai ubedi ekoka onzo kondo maza ye wotam bia ni aduana wudi moja na ewo mu ne aduana wudi a eboa ma system no etimi aye strong ni nyina no ye beboa na ya cho na aboa mo agya na so no mo na abo modern etimi are Siemens Vital Herbal Mixture na ba aka agan na agan no oye bema ebema osisi mu aye den tedwane mu beedu epimo bi obonzampa twede ne yade abobi edura mo bebi also pa agan ye dura no man susanso bi ani eche ebema ahode adwuma ba ye no wokroma no obonzampa nya no eden pa eno eye Siemens Vital Herbal Mixture eno no untime nkan roko a ozo pa agan na agan na adwuma ye no ehu brutal opomo a orowani echemu ewa sokoi mampon osisa sokoi mampon orowani echemu Maxima Road no amone no ne die anime fanama no command de bia ne doc eni 0240 616-061. Number on WhatsApp 0240-616-061. Now the line on 0279-356-570. 0279-356-670. Niamwa nane mandida yepa. Etimi enfama no so enanche no. Me patro diane pana beboa. Na wejana so nane mako ye pre timi ara mezanza didie madiki aka de yadia entwamuda. Edunye diane pana udia. Ebeboa mo anya hoden hyehyana koyere amana duana kasa no ne dani nyina chiri nya bebi a ene transididi ewozo nya bebi a wo transididi a omfa ha obi entimi enkofia no na make for X5 restaurant and pub area ma zero mo na akwa eduana ne ya wasoto abedi na wa fili ye pa ene benku ne tilapia na pe benku ni okro soup na stew no obenye bi fufuo no ene no enkwan no de okwa oze mame tilapia nkwan ne kakra wa mame mre ne nwa no ne nkwan ne kakra o de aponche nkwan kakra gu nchen na afe wahwe na remunam nkwan no so no o de kakra gu so na eno na eba ne sa ya na combination mu ede obedidi afili na hyehye na koye pa e de ama jollof rice na pe emuto na pampesi wache ene no obi na fi amono ne aba edin se yen yeduane no obetimi edi a mepacho ni nyina no o men hyehye na timi era ama no special fried rice french fries pizza continental dishes awdo na ye timi era ama drinks no o mo de dodo na aba de ano edin de ano emre e ho no obenye bi no wabona hyehye no akoye pretimi ediama enu echi no zena wedding na waye wie na pa baby abe reception a omo ho kese ye de ma han edwumefo kra no etimi ekokosho didi omo nkomo ema ne makoyie pa etimi edi emomo sa ye na aba fie abadi nto na aba party bi na ekoso de di nipa dodo na aba be hwem no ora fa edwuma no hwe omo nsa nuane dodo na ye be no etimi edi aba eba owo ni be di edi afili ye pa zo wo shop na edi so be pia kwa akoto eduana afom na ma no ne omo nkasa ye be deliver edi ama 0549 609697 0549 609697 eduane de eduane pa na emwa na ne mande da yesoro etimi afama tetem so mamin konsere mu na min nkomo kakra na me yesere hyehyɛ no esi etie dia orwani chemo ka fa so dia enchekra ene CAF African Schools program no wafu zombi juma de betimi akoso na ne draw na baba betojo already ya kan de ato say schools na qualify no patamwa ya no mo na ne mema na fa no your Offensive College of Education amu JHS no ne ni omoko akogina mema na namu ene o macro am AJHS omo na ekọ akogina mana nam ti na draw ni to Ghana Ghana ya akoko ramo grubi ono ya Burkina Faso Niger and Africa Ghana ediomo na ekọ jamna African schools program no wafu zombi no ya akoko be juma na ne makoye pera mampemfo confirm say on the 11th November and juma de ne be shase sada no efieda na roma akoko wie on the 13th November sada na ekwesieda entiaka grubi Ghana akoko group no ya Cote d'Ivoire mu ye host nation no ya Benin wo and afi wo Togo ediopi for say Ghana ye be kona nyakoko jena so na ya bo adwuma na aboa na ne mada ye pretimiara momona nra and I had to focus koko jina Ghana na mo ye premso pinsu bia nema and Sharanko Yukra, and Timmy Amfaman, on common, and on a Roman and Mohamed Polo, Eddie Din common at the Dicano, ye bizarre is they had the results ya, or Munya, Niamanko Yam Famom, El Malino, or pay Coach Ya, Jano, Quine Kaubi, and I say, a dear pan and I'm so Matino, or Mentimian perform a war.
That's a mini Nathan. Now, my management is family, and then, it's not doing well. They were doubting whether Papa GC had been. And you know, because league is start here. 9 points out of 9 points. Points are in our name. Two. It's not encouraging.
Etiano ya komane abomode edi etudwa ebuama ne makoye petiwera ati Mohamed Polo and no church say after no as you za de ba na ejuma no ne sere ne mesi kwa ba beda mpa se de bi ye tun sa afrozo e club legend wa ba kwa tisambra na bra be ejuma na pacho akwanya do se ne obesi aba bebo atefu kana
I suppose yeah the amount as a footballer and as a coach. But unfortunately, Omun treaty, Omun legends, Omun treaty. What do I say? And my back, out of progression as a coach. 5 good times. But sincerely, my decided to the best develop Ghana football. It's a Baba is the Ghana brand of football. And then we call who are the then my poor workshop or at the Ghana brand of football. Now again answer na mabet select players and make sure na ma groom me.
Atiano ya komo abomode etimere jeze bebi edu no onkon kope juma de bi na mo no ohwe na wa hihye ni yira ene wanya players obere na wagumo mo na debi no oma baba beji ama bo ejuma bo ama na makoye pa etimi era mo na nra inzired ba ko esiye e wa Cross Sports Stadium na no de mpan NCC chairman ye friend Elvis Heyman Hesse na ni one honorable Vincent Odotesuwa ena na IS yiso kakra ne ade na honsem no ena na etweben pin perfect Elvis ni ebi zo panyi asem na nkasa no bo emu nchemu kakra edempa na nra esiye.
Doctor did yesterday, it clearly shows the way they are managing the club. Well, you see why any baby I mean, only supporter exchange West, mean provoking me. Only supporter any problem. I only went into the middle and separated the two of them, then pushed the supporter to the side. Then I told him, oh, don't allow the supporters to speak at this moment. Don't try to say it's not good for you. As someone me born and was starting to attacking me, and you are inciting supporters. I am only telling you, don't gag them. Allow them to speak their mind. Almost I know Musuba here. And Koya, on the command, I guess on the coffee. Me boni amayeni.
Atia no ye chemu ane opepa no ebo mode etimi erije na wamana nso wa we na ebiza na odote na nkasa ejuma oyere mat folk na nsem ya no esusu opepa na nkasa no de na wo ka defa no.
And as for Odote there, I will not call him an honorable man. Honorable. He's not honorable. If he's listening to me, Odote is not honorable. If you call Odote honorable, then you don't know what honorable means. Oh, he is inept. The man is inept. If Odote is listening to me, Elvis, he has started a war. And the war that he has started with me, his family should tell him, say, he should be prepared for me and the supporters of House of Folk. If his Odote is a man, he should come to any of our House of Folk installations. Either the training grounds, he should come. I'm preparing for him. And we are preparing for him. If Odote and his family is listening to me, they should advise him. And I am appealing to the supporters, especially those who think, say, they are bootlickers. They are bootlickers in the club, no. Their children and their unborn children will not forgive them because they are not truthful and honest supporters. If you are an honest supporter and you are a good supporter, then you will follow me and you will demand for the right things to be done. When they build secretariats, when they do the right things, don't we offer all the praises to the board and the board chairman?
Antiano ya command Elvis Sema Jr. Abomodi Timiera Tuga Erafa Vincent Odote Soa honorable na wamana soa yeto azubizanze na se board no kra na o so na mrebi o de babetu gaze bebi edu no untimi nto adwuma no so bi wa resign na de ampa na nam so ma resign.
Other board members, Madam Imas Eso, Frank Nelson, any all the other board members, they are listening to me. If they claim, say, what they have been telling us every day, that it is the two of them who run the club, then why are they on the board? There should be men enough to resign like me. Because me, a young man, I could resign because I saw the way they were managing the club. And I said, I will not be part of it. I will not go to a board meeting and decisions has been taken already. A coach will not come to Ghana and supporters will tell me their chairman is on the board and I don't know. What do I tell the supporters? And when I resigned on the board, some supporters were, hey, why did you resign? Our board, also. You voted for me as your ACC chairman. The board appointment was just an extra way. Is it the kind of board they want me to be on? I can't say young dissolve board. For over 10 years, the chairman should dissolve the board and reconstitute it on person because they satisfy him alone. You are saying, oh, daughter, I'm telling you that the board chairman should also take blame. He should take blame. Board chairman should take all the blame. The one way we all say he's doing well, he should take blame. And I will ask the questions. He also benefits from a crowd of folk. Apart from say, board chairman did the secret to no so benefit free club no more. As of now, boy atare no. Omukachi said 1 year sponsorship. It's been on our side for 3 years. Never told the supporters how much has come. Conflict of interest. Don't you see SAS advertised at the stadium? They don't pay anything to us of us. So the board chairman is also benefiting.
Hey, I'm saying, crop ya de. Ya pena. And some never wait to me at the back. Now, utis them your pimp as a way too emotional. Ni or tofaha. Now what twafa or tofaha. Now what twafa or tofano. Mananswa. We as a job for as a jedi. Now, he don't chat or a see and also carry chance and show for.
From who do we demand report from? Somebody must tell the supporters something. It is not just about going to spoil money and then every year Togbe is spending money. Some of you journalists that you are sitting in the studios, you are also cowards. No, don't mention Akambi, but you can't hit the nail right on the head. That the board chairman runs the club directly, and that he must also be blamed. Some of you are cowards. The Odote and Akambi are only messengers. Their loyalty is to the board chairman and not to a crowd of folk. They don't love the club. What the board chairman went to Kumasi and said, it's politics. That they are the most passionate one. It's politics. It's politics. Because the Kumasi supporters, some of them, they are bootlickers. We, the Accra supporters, we are very assertive. We speak truth to power. I don't care if I lose my job. I will fight for this club. Even the board chairman, don't he criticize politicians? Is he beyond criticism? That's what I'm saying. You people in the studios and some of you journalists, you don't speak truth. You only do every day I can be, every day. Don't tell every day I can be. Bunny prayer. Who do we demand?
Atiano ya command CC chairman I friend Elvis Sema Jr. Apomoti dia baba betujati watoto amane mpinfona man central for ya jede ozindi hufo ye ba na ye akambi ni ye kan odoti na so no board chairman ankasa ne djuma no ye ne nema bi wo ho a entwa yi a ye hwene ye kan wasemtie no ensem odi general orwa ni chemo sunyane mpatama krobia commercial sante kotoko mo ebomode kabomu ekokota Ibrahim Danlad guda na gudane pape fi munti nra era omobo mo die gya no kwan kra tu ha Sampa the technical team no na one who say ne board no mpemfo ni bi ka ho na playing body no one who say ne team na nkasa players ni nyina akokota na chi zanze omugiri zo mo number 1 goalkeeper ene juma no ye no na bibi ato ni a wo zo mu nyina support no na ebo ama na makoye president abusuako na ode ne ho aba nya aba be don no busuako abusuan kese ati omu nyina tu anamo anra omura musuan patam join on Sompa 93.1 on our Facebook page wa betimi enyi bia hwehwe no one say the nema esi ekoye nti na nya de keto akra nra na krobia fo na etimi eche do a we no ye beba na ya ba be kan ho asem na abo na nema etimi akoye kama pasoro etimi ara na mom no ne upa ya isa ba bi ba kope abe Herbal Clinic e was oko na kokoje wa ya isa makaso mo no ya jo mo tumpa e wo Ghana bibia ni nyina ene se ba ni twai eno so na nche no ade ba ko o maso ya no edempa sickle cell for no bozo mo kikanka akwada ekro nyindu bibi obi wu anya no kre abe ba ye no bibi a specialize wa ohwesa nkofo yaye akra no debi ma mpanyi o etima ne nyansa fa ne ko abe Herbal Clinic no be na yaboa na akra ne jana na so mo maso ya no ko a ene wa emre wo mpama ye beboa mo akeka o ma chene sete meme wa asase su nyina ena ogina na mu nti ozo obu adwuma no ebo ne yemu ye ma mo piafo eno so na nche mo amade ne susa no ye bre ne apege me kasa de ne susa mema no bi ma yi no ya na guess ne ka ayeze nkruma e basa ya na ha adwen okọ aketwa 5000 kese 5000 obefa bola no na o de konti be ma de ne ozo ma wa de ne macho emu yedu ekofo hu no mu ye ma hye omo no zampa akwana bidwa di komura mu abe aso ye first week ne be measure ye the measurement ne be ma ase jeko ye rotu edo so acha second week no bon zampa adena cha ase macho enyini eyabe ene be boa mo ade no mu adwa we transition no correct one pa from Wiser to Beam Nation na ne ma ko ye pa etimi ara ma hani akoko ena afi nam ya hepatitis no malaria ho heart bacteria infection ni nyina no romo maso no be boa na ne ma ko ye pera ma sickle cell test no mo ye scan test no mu twa no po mo atano so apatrapa new site o amobe apatrapa junction no fana ma ne ma me ni nkomo ma kan so be boa obenya ahoden ya ma ne nyansa ya asenkofo bebre da ache eda busua no na akọ eba behwe mu na nzo da woyi ane ya wanya ahoden na kofi ma asema sifie nti fana ma no na ya bi ane omu ni nkomo 0243 345392 0243 na 0506 460208 niambwa nane manko yepa enfama 0506 460208 na ni omo eni komo na ne mandeda di perfama ma daroma commentary bi etwegu ofidie ma pa etimi ada ma komia I had to folk after so mu film no de aboba no na mama me fa wentwimu kakra mfa ma ho sesi a minim se nche board meeting na be sha ase e wo had to folk come so ye na 3 PM ya emergency meeting na ekoso board na so ye no nkomo ebeduram no e say nete Honorable Vincent Odote Sowa ye be manage na nchen but emba bontin omon confirming of emba bontin ze bia opimpa no ye ja no so e bi onkonko tranchen
Odote
ye be manage na nchen but emba bontin
step aside
ye be emba bontin means that I make what you
say step aside
but emba bontin
enya afi ne bebo hu dawru
dabi
step aside na jaje
omo emergency meeting no mo ye ade ba ko bi rom now say coach bi
Odote na nkasa the position ye dey wo hasi
and dem meeting nche but ono na bibia no epepi ya omo die
ho ne aseblo
anti ba ne ye be mana gina nchen kakra
step aside
yema ne nto aso na Zdravko Matic Zlavko coach no ba
Zlavko
de no ba be yejuma na
Zlavko Matic de san ko boye esruma
ye be mana san nye de obo Roma ni de obo Roma no zo obo owu mu ni de bia
Zlavko Matic
na ye be mana
ona be fa house fuka
obese akọ
o ma ne nya adwuma
dabi na unze na house pe local coaches bi
Odote nyina nchen ana coach no so omo mana ko
coach no nte ye Odote mu na ma ne ba kro
sa dot no na me pese e connect no
o nte me de mate no so mo ne kan bi na coach ne ba ti yazi nei so no be gian chen a coach no so no
enyina nchen
ono so onya ono de kronko
o se sade ba
ko sa ko bibi ofi ba na no zera house pe local coach
yeah
de no mani abre no so pa ya no woka
yeah
omo ye ya no woka so Samatis project ne bibi a shishi team ne du a be din so be ja to no wasan ye den aba di amfa
ano ka de no ko abu
amfa
me be elaborate on this statement but no serious coach assistants our ambition be no ma house of kadwuma we be na kono
mami wi nyanto bo ase chama nyanto bo ase why ti ano ka de na amfa but as now emergency meeting as decision on be taking. I'm going for any local coach there. I'm a foreign coach in the baba. Now coach no am the baba no. I'm be make sure say ni CV no so efe. Eno you be our experience here pa. So between the club na ye juma kwadu pempen so na. I'm person mu kodu no. At meeting on 3 p.m. na na was a chance. It means a chance ya. I'm go so mo ye. The be room bia no. Me the baba ti hon ton kakra. Na me dia ba be din komo bebre. Bana I calf confederations cap no. Call mo kokoje me ensa. Eba yi ni fi omo fi mu. Ene hon komo ne ade. But me say no aso no fans na bodu koje na hanko for pa.
Okay.
Kofo hu ni ze du bibia. Niema bi wo na bodu ya yo nyanto wase kakra. Na coach eja akwan kranche be bobo na hwi za na ya na ayi kakra. Me za ma me chance wo so.
Yes, Abu Mayenche tefu na wie. Mesa basa statement na me kan na so say no serious and ambitious local coach, either young or old, and ever consider a house of work no assistance. None. But before ansana me basono, Abu, ansana organization be able to impono. Adebako is very important in it, apart from infrastructures, organizational structure, proper line of communication, or company man so competent in the minano. Ade amunya pa emotional intelligence. Sebi, kwan a wo fa so ete wan kasa watenka ase. Ene omo matwa ho ahia no, wo sa so te o matenka ase. Na be hunu kwan be fa so ene obia oben obia atena e wa asomdwe mu. Na watimi use sa nipa kro na tenka no to wan kasa wo own benefit at a point in time. Enyoma esi wa Accra Sports Stadium yi, anyhow wa Vincent Odote e acte ye no. You could feel say e hono kakra no. Emotional intelligence anya adwuma kakra. Because one, say what has to folk supporters nothing can say you understand say ho loose wo. Loose wo ba no ensem bia no ebebo omo so omo nya den. Omo nka. Results in favor omo. Team ni structures in favor omo. Up to now head coach Crampo no. Omo ni bi. It is that moment no. Kwan obefa so abe reply supporter no continuously no. Na ocean ahoroba. Na ekoso. Na edinsem bibri na yede. Eboboba. So I feel say although they might have been right with how City reacted here in his own perspective, but Oil House of Folk as a brand, corporate entity, a pennymoa, what di enim, ako parliament, ediamaya. This was a time na me expect to say, at least ka only nani. Nan continence din, omo komun semria, no akane nsemawi. Say oka entare ho, yemfa nchichire ho, yemfa handcuff mbegu unsa. So I felt Odote should have acted more everyone say na osanko ye din kakra na nkohwe no. Na me move on to Elvis. Kasa ne ya do so for House of Folk supporters. Kasa ne ye mframa dodo, mo kasa dodo. Mo nhwe mu team matches simple. You don't even go to the stadium to watch your games. Club no kwa me na mo fa so mo support club no. You support the club through gay proceeds. Meaning supporters more huge concern about the ownership and the corporate structure of my club. No? There is no doubt about it. But walk the talk. Walk the talk. Money yentre. Iti Abuja be so fill stadium. The Biana stadium no. Wo the mama can fill in 30,000 at least. Not the Biamoya House of Folk matches. Mo kasa. To be on sura na so obeti. Obeti. Do your part. One yan is our own now can in ano. Odu ko togbe mani ma togbe will tell you that Memina about the highest contribution of the club. Abu Sam nam dem honam dem sika.
O laza o kan oba bi o ka se mon central for mu yihu.
Abu enyo bi na ehu for. Enyo bi na ehu for.
Bo chairman no nejuwa
no. Abu enyo bi na ehu for. When you go into a company na say why would you sika investment ah? Oh, to de bia obi na nchiro de fa sika ya na ze to obi na nchiro de. Wa ultimate na sika decision we dey me take e be boa. Abu esa no otwa no ehom se enya kura na wo na nkasa no what have you done to merit? So obenya say. Then why yes obenya merit and obenya say e wo bibia na nipa ko ni decision na wo take him.
O service dey ni niam o ye ma asofo.
Abu Elvis ye ni niam what is the main code? Enya so on na ma kire bia ye we say means in operations. What it matters most is whatever you are doing does it bring us of money? club near this kind of run you. Oko he game ni paro do say mo feel stadium do say. Sometimes supporters na no mo nsem na mo ka no. Anya se me ka say Elvis asem na o ka no kure ni mo. Elvis asem na o ka no kure wom at some point ana kasa no so return bi ya do so do. Merit it, mo merit it. Supporters no mo merit it how you can influence Togbe. Anya se Togbe decisions so be take bi ana mimi si amemete I feel said there are some decisions for House of Folk. One in terms of a big club like House of Folk community management team. Community management. It does not work. And yet probably the mommy and if Togbe have taken the decisions on for management, they say, Mimuni say any good decision. And I don't support it. For my personal stuff, I don't support it. But Abu, when I support now, we teach you know. Our person Togbe is an adreno. Sankadebia stadium aboma abu nipa 30,000 35,000 na say ama for do na game na mo contribute through gate posts the ma club na abu you definitely have a voice in every single decision the club wants to take.
All support is a won't form a management team.
Oh, I don't support it. Abu, I don't support it. But okoka kusi say na no support no crowd teacher ko kama club no kra no nipa no na dey ni sika run club no. Sometimes he decides what he does with the club any baby oba kofa e dey aba. Now with the coach's decision na make am say me say as it stands Abu I would say any serious coach and ambitious coach be kofa House of Folk team na e be dia man so be take decision for night say e be na kono say straight na no kofa adwuma no ye obey crampo na the level of conditions or the beto adwuma no no aran panifo bi o House of Folk team ni ma no man pene
sana hu
yes aran panifo bi o team ni mu a no man pene the conditions are these coaches dey beba madaruma mo ma no waka so munyo ne kakra wai ba bi o te no ye mo ma ne nya sa adwuma na wo samates mo ma ne nye because the club itself when it comes to decision making na Abu Dhabi House of Folk decision making no more na out of sentiment. That is how I mean, no. If you listen, coach, we dey. Oh my, na dear cran, crana, masa money in and no before from. We cran ye feel so bit my head, you man. I feel the Musumuko who be on the CV merit. Oh, probably on the CV merit, then you should be looking for the likes of Pete level.
Patrice Catron.
I'm also on level. Namu kona nam Serbia, namu kofa Serbia li obia abo Serbia league a bobo. Ebia Serbia League no Ukraine Serbia League papa wo ebia division be 4 wo Serbia ebia coach no kwampo be oya adwuma kra ye na dikra no tifie no makofa na ba se Serbia o me adwuma. So if you are looking for CV then you are looking for a competent coach. If you are looking for a competent coach that is not in Ghana dodo na ye hu bi Africa aso mo di teams ni bebre nya resource nanka America to one ma opobi o CV nanka House of Folk what years in Patrice Catron mi hia umbra ka won twen kra ma Ahilal nkofa imbege so oh mi hian ibenge bra House of Folk me so be ya adwuma mame bo mo suro
na for ibenge there is a blasters no cry e be bra sala it
you see
the thing is mo dini one joke cry any man be $80,000
we know says almost on pe coach ogu CV and anya say no almost on pe so pe coach ogu CV this are some of the good coaches I recommend more so if you say o pe coach ogu CV then you do that. But anya say be twa sa that one abesa kofa ba team so me adwuma fama. It's high time our club start getting serious. Decision making we chire e slow e bad based on sentiment. And some obodu so Abu Dhabi eto de bi onya abotre wo call stadium won na akoye hwe we na de dembre o. Oh, these things no ehunya me some obodu ade akoye ye me ehunya. Inner perimeter no abontin say no kwampo dey fine inner perimeter are you going to put pressure on the current coach no oya adwuma de mo na and Abu unim said there was something na unim so okulu na nkasa na ninje sa de na si no
oh na say wo anka we ninje
okulu was not happy with it and okulu catch odo tem say na ninje ho sa de na si na ninje ho. Why should he even allow that? On say Jose Mourinho abana Jose Mourinho no na perimeter ni na Jose Mourinho how do you do this?
Mate, hey, why? Me that's it. Why? Me?
Abu, interesting development. One, the AC no. I was say, yeah, the 2 year 3 say, House of Folk will look for meka House of Folk ache say Boboko no. Omo be hwehwe nipa ba ko mienu bi aba omo sobo. Na omaye omo sacrificial lamb empatedwan. Inti sa empatedwan no. En omo de be appease supporters no. Supporters ni bu efu pa. And there needs to be a decision from a soro. Decision I was say freeze rubber no. I was say fan says heads are rolling. And if you hear news developments, be say as you may see on shutdown fan whom ra has nimbebra yaman letter.
Oh, okay.
Or mema nenya one. Oh, so as you may see, I say wa call of kakra, so what tin no kakra. Yeah, yaman letter say on train so kakra. Ni jumedi odi na nso any questions wo ho. Now to start with, before game now, omobo on a Sunday no, Saturday, ana odote efre oklu se ode ora Matic, Slavko Matic, eba, enti nko no ba be supervisory training, na nko no aboa selected team no for match no on Sunday. Inti na otete nko mo bi se odote na na pese o yes squad na o ye list na oklu si on play. But omu delay was incline traffic in Sensem no. Inti as at the time omu koko drew ho no. Na has a started training rather oklu ne drills in the inti. Sa introduction, formal introduction ne we na ba take over anyway no. Entimi ankoso. Coach na nkasa de has ne wo a verbal agreement sort of ma o makasi kasem kra ye bibie wie. Eba ne sa no. Na was a match ne beba so Sunday dia. Oklu na to asokoye, but Odote wanted a year Matic no to have a hand in the selection of the team ne kwayon befa so abobo no. Oklu was not too pleased because he felt one omo undermine no disrespect so to coach or no yeah because ono no training team anonym omo ye fit and it's all called post match press conference ko ka say ono ne nim players a omo ye year na se no. So ojina na so ze sadia ono ha ye na de na odeko. But adia ba ko esan so surprising ne there was a year to me was a friend cool say usurping of wayo supporters ekukuda mienu Uncle T and Shamo ni a Greater Accra Regional Circles chairman.
Oh, okay.
Ano mo me say chapter sorry. Omoko smuggle a year Samuel Bodo. Yeah, I didn't obey him. So Samuel Bodo was not part of the plan. Me name the Omon come Omokodi. Into Bodo buy no or be disrupted omo preparations for the game.
Oh, okay.
Into omo warm up anya as intense as Oklu no hwehwe. Eye ne ya pa se one. O de anka supporters ne ko anka different. But o Bodo no, we a coach, professional coach, or no say a professional coach. You will be a friend solidarity. Enti nka wo no onya de e bebu ono coach nanim tia especially when you are Ghana for. But as a Bodu enjoyed the moment or the no hu remu. One ring crass e ni nua anasade we kotia no. So Clue was very embittered. Na ne yapa. Eye ne yapa papa. After the game, he has spoken about that particular issue. And no can who be named Sama Baba and lead to this emergency meeting on Moka Kodi Unkomo. So the sacrificial lambs no one odo tebeko.
Okay.
Almost the course between the fans. Oh my gosh. Almost the course between Ono and the fans in any way now. Almost the tensions are building, are boiling. And to make sure that supporters no ebeju kakra no. Obodote must be seen as a distance away from the team. So that decision will eventually be taken. But Haas will not sack him. Omon sack him. But he will have a gap between Ono and the day-to-day running of Accra as folk. Another one, so coach now Slavko Matic. Must steady Nisivi ni and this one a supporter penny be netina see is a coach no. Jumeti be a wedi biano abu onyambro 1 year. E be cry 3 months. E be a 4 months. Into sha from 2016 ade bano clubs our hand on like kako be ye do. Enti sadia they can't entrust omo project no person omo ye no into a coach a one on guarantee will long term stay. 2 or controversial character. Inti sadia omo beja na kwan. But there will be a financial compensation. Coach, you know, you're one of the applicant or apply for house job na you do thing na den buy.
Oh, okay.
Or apply for job no. Abra house for na ni your montanta. And I'm some local targets na nanko mo peno and ejigu ye no. Then they decided to study applications on munya maybe. He's one of those almost study. And no more request they send the sadia ombra, but no me didn't come on. And so they are going so odo in the facilities and come on. But and young on the buy. Exactly.
Coach na they were too so.
Yeah, he applied for the job. And you the thing no find buy. But the coach will go. Has a resolve say target are no more pay for local coaches 9. Local Prosper na Togum and no work account. On Monsan can't any of their target. Inti sadia they will move on. Local coaches, the door is shut. Omo appoint local coach, but they will maintain the video clue. Omo touching no. Normal fa bronia or ye experienced and receiving it sounds ye rich. Then na wa build a team no. Then oklusu be building no under that. Omo be facilitate a foreign trips anyway. Na oklu akọ omo partnership omo ne Hoffenheim ni we wono no enhance the technical capabilities and also idea ba kombe part of the plan and will be part of the discussions on benya e will meeting na say omo wia what will happen is that say broni no omanya the omo pa they will formally write to Hoffenheim Germany for technical assistance. Yeah. Ombetra come up say omo technical assistance says BBC and omo say emra na omo fan sort omo out. Into that is how the coaching job hunt will be. This period of inactivity no ebeba ye dia mom ke ebo league ne dia you sure say pressure ebeba omo so. Now the wodu ye no amana fall in the bad books of Toby. Not Toby penasempa even after so omo ja ne kwai. But the ye no they see it as an indirect attempt so opese or instigate one the fans against the leadership of the club and Togbe is the ultimate leader. And among relationship no I fractured mintimi wo se bodu na afre na paache wo se bodu so be yipengi bi mo afre to be paache wa ma no but the man is not happy.
Big Mate. Oh yeah.
Yada obi ase ma obi akwa babiem Iraq no say Pemshwak FC Frewa ko sign agiska no if you say bibia dia dance say Ghana Football Association ombebre pa wakoto say justice ani ye bo an mpanyimfo no sabi omamfa humobura mem ampacho na ya mpe kwan bi susu ne Ashanti Gold for na nkasa look obi amobo bia obia so tiase and yes, you
General Secretary have disrespected the court. Somebody or no, or a lawyer. I'll say me entire appearance. That's disrespect and disregard. Say court say, Mansa, Mamma, yes, so whatever, court to come away. Yes, starting legal contempt. Am I didn't go for 2 minutes? Was it mobile? I had him. Commissar said John say. Me say, Commissar said John say.
My friend global phone
the late Sir John me say or call Supreme Court no atabugo
ono an so
now lipa ni on took of friend
an so na me friend line there offer no na me oyusu no
there be
lipa ni on two friends
na me hear say
I didn't ko contempt here ata
samado no so bia no
adai
Vodafone bi
onu crowd with the huge stature in the profession
obedemo
contempt no he ne ho pone nine po
ye besere
anti
on behalf of footballers ni ano
anya humobo asem
me de asem no to na odofole enim the be edru no enye I know the law I know my right so koye because kai board o ma no look and I because you know league no nka match week 16 ni aje o
Adriana
I tell you this is in Premier League no na straight fight between Bekum Chelsea and Adriana. I'm telling you. saa two teams no so near no musuro no pe mediama because ni maybe na problems in beba kotokwa in their third year.
Oh, okay.
Has Post Africa move free ma betija. Ombe recover you take them weeks. Omu nyina so outstanding match. And has there near the kind of my budget say all we need is at least 3 points. Na you want to do. Intino ejana edum sisi ano. How bia? What I say? Hey. Higher power. Look. Intina and now you say uncle for lawyer and the choir now so the baby to so or the two so and that is the 19th year court, no problem. Ashanti good for now to me Casado Macacho say one was some after a quarter than I need a dear reader. So now be Casasum which they were. They're no patch. Asembako, you come 19th. Neako 24th. You get it? First case no, I think Edimbaku human rights case ni enkoso. Injunction the no so a yakumba kuna contempt the no. America cross menyes kana in the event said Tija Meto Gayama Sheikh Tofik Diako. Sheikh Tofik Diako. Akuse. Sort I say. Any braba. Aha. On the eminia. Send it in. I don't want to champion. Look, Kwaku. I shan't go for the case no much. Look. See a bit to me in pen form more kasa. Near restore the because say F na hwi near World Cup near Mbo League na. Friendly match kwada mu nyina na mo we. Lawyers na dwane. Ye ka omukwaje substituted service I say be chew contempt ni pe. Ye saw zoom na omu nyina di mirika ba. And imagine friendly match put na o makoti na World Cup. Ghana be films 1 month no make some da so kata. Omo hwe bi. So that's the issue for me. That's the larger issue, Kwaku. Hami. One here. Look. How many of them about channel?
Omo as a guys here.
Good. Because channel there. Say league no more twice. Nka first name on the team sheet. Ne Kwame Adom from Pon.
Kwame Adom from
Me nada.
Channel ye twice ka.
Ye bo league na. Nka first name. Enye 30 something and 20 something.
Alo ka bo bebre.
Masa.
Obe uli bia have kasa. But we did that all.
And Edumunre. Edumunre. Edumunra. Hey! We ma se bibia ansesa na ya mo league no ansa na World Cup ne be koso a. Team obo actively organa ha. Last has.
Yes.
Did you say bono top 4 no super 4 na ye de be fa players no. Kaila and Kaila any mediama bo na samatex nso so abefem any enzema 3 nation tournament and I say Galamsey top 4 Galamsey top 4 Galamsey top 4 featuring mediama Go Stars and samatex and I say Kaila
as Kumasi de no
Kumasi de ni Bopa onchendi no any can find an kotoko every week on Wednesday Sunday area near ko area near ko tamale city near to you and no sama bo
and also the same
you say ya na no near boashe na nimonyam
na cry there no
say amakofa kotoko e ko bo gamanche no problem omo yi has every minute sir nti house so be free Kotokuro Royals
okay
no makwa akobo ochehine special commemoration cup e wa achimoda ho good omu wi a aka Lions so ni dreams are born ye tete atkoton wa abrochi super 2 sa
elo ale be
no sa no zo de be fa yin bi nkwaku ayin na de be fa look nti e be strom this thing has the potential to and the Lagos City team na ya te say ye de bo Premier League no omu kobo no mo ma strengthen under 20 look problems so Alajaba
mama apostle
Alajaba
Bramu kakra na mema alaji mrena
time we dey meet has a focus issue I make one so much na
orocha
but he a kire say oye bema has of alaji tia has of when the supporters rise and they affirm team no gina ye nti ochina me he say me born abaso we na has we chapters committee chairman we mu na we yes tie ball to green me say now we don't want maza say ball to green near ball and Armstrong. This are the reason why the ball chapter 9 the ball chapter this are the reason why Samuel they made House of Folk. Almost sorry jina. No mo kasa no mo buboma institutional SCT up yeah. He say we na nka so start here no long time. But Achiabemuye, Washase House of Folk minimum. It is the supporters that make the team. Almost shaky system, no? Yes. They started. I mean, on Twasso. Yes. Now, a Mabia Baba House of Folk team now, Sebi, so much money from na memano at me diamonize. Remember, Jama, Alaja, cannot channel.
Menobisha, near Dion. Alaj,
Papa,
Alaj, I'm foul.
I'm fat. Alpha Blondie or Wabijan, perhaps the Amfa. Na do me any. Once a last week by me cousin, she say, I do call Malino, Amwa. About a friend saying, Accra. Ne ye kasa wo radio so kwa. Underground work pa sese nanka. Penfoni ye no man ye. Ni nyina ka ho na ne ma no hwe agu. O ja se.
Matiase.
Ti utimi se ye nia na yetu amena na yakwa kotom.
Oh okay.
Oh yes. Ye nia na yetu amena na yakwa kotom. But don't forget say Ubo African Cabinet defeat best years. One way years say ye bo league ya. Kan sunso so be kwati House of Folk no. Papa Kenya papa. Na se den Kenya me say league no champion de na dia he no bottom. Ti say how am has be. It is a me breeder. Be me breeder. I'm telling you. Say yes say league near to so a kan sunso so wo de supporters de o mo ye nra. E wi ase ba akofo nchiri damfo. Oh, ma men ka se me fa afidie so asre ewura to gbe. Mi sre no na ndie mu. In terms of infrastructure, wa bo has me hunu bi da. Pobi mai secretariat ye wa buagu commercial house. Papa na yade ne mum se an reflect o park so a.
Nyina nkosi hwe.
Nyina nkosi support hunu.
Dabi support.
Ti na me fa kwanya usina ni die mu yo hempon. Yeso de nkasa ntie wo hene. Itimi nkyere adwene nkyere no na mum nkutusere se beya the supporters na kasa yempe we ewo de nipa na hunu o ma san krofo no ntena nkyɛn ne ma nipa foforo bi mra na ehwe ade na ni munyam beba ma no asi ma me ko French fo pepese ne so was it has failed to qualify sabia krofo mtito sport na de bae we Gonokrom Chronicle Utemi.
Mitio Palaj.
Was audité la soa célébration de jubilation. Konkona mutué de ma mère beaucoup moi là-bas. People see Gonokrom Chronicle was in raw hobby. Yesi Sompa hene or Accra Sports Stadium nra. Nra najo. Enro umisi Sompa hene or Accra Sports Stadium. Apaka o medimani ambulance.
Alaj.
Sompa hene no
na ya mana na yezu hina ambulance ni be de
was o hene bi atena paka mu but Sompa hene we die na paka ni ambulance
ala ye jeze
na wo de course
so na aka asem no
we people no wan ko details o people say yes Sompa hene wa Accra Sports de munura apaka o medima no ambulance
no hene ye fa wa pakam na kotena ambulance mu de azaja
papa o medina fa afuma gubewu
Alai papa I no.
Salajila ma asamanfu.
Like people see they do be ye fair ma me cry.
Why are you saying that? Why are you saying that?
Na boy here but
the kwase ho duru ha e be kwase ho.
You matter there.
Okodi hine ne the ambulance amawa. Na wu na onyame ase. Say apaka dia na sunipa ambulance so de watais. La proca. Alaji Akambe adote sowa. Attention mon pays. Sollicité de ma mère beaucoup là. Wasi Alaji Akambi and honorable Odote Soa Odote. Sama jimani so. Sana la proca de ba.
La joma no ma joma. Then on my joma.
Wasi so ma joma so.
Said then.
Say has a film.
A jomon kwano then on my joma nizo.
Tell-moi pâté. Club de Accra élimination de confédération mouiller la main à tutiller moi la paix. House of Folk pass no way. That the people on the aba. C'est la Gilama. Ça m'en fout. Pierre Konabedier. Le sieur, laisse-moi, pour toi, Fédération des clubs du Ghana, en paix l'accord. Aussi, il y a fait le Moukura. Il y a un obi.
Moi, je un favor.
Hado boss kotoko. Ha se yes na kotoko.
Enya no kre.
Tie, ne nchire mo de ba. O ka kwa ase ho a. Ha se ko lusu awe no be she home.
Aha.
Ana nkofo nso ko she no mo be lusu mu home. No mo firi mu. O ja se.
Alaji, mo nya ntwo mo.
Je
she wo tre.
Wo ni French fo be je achinya ko ho. Wo se ye firi mu kura yes na mo. Libération. La visite de Cana, sa cancellation, c'était la mort pour jouer le monde. Voici où on est bien le Kenya. On a ici wada.
I know I'm for there.
As.
Ah, okay.
Club du Ghana. Oui, abrié. Club du Ghana, la championne de la Burkina Faso, Kadiogo, foutu là-bas, la métier de la Veta du Congo, même payé, voici de mon tepe la part. Voici quand on commence à saison, on est Kadiogo Fono. Et on match on match na umuhuma bodro. On match na umuhuma bodro quand on commence à Fono. Match na fia bodro, ça ne peut pas nous dire ba. Dem di château. Mais le soir la paix, au Timodie militaire, appelez-vous voulation de tout la quoi, di mama, di Sompa, la Abokare, Senyogo, de Burkina Faso, Charamité. What's a house for trio? And according to people, Mutu Express, so see if you move a coffee on say, send them Kofonu, place me no injury to no more mobi. That's what Bobby Dia Cabe disaster. Play Unimobidi.
I'm a film.
Backward Mama Sampa. Backward Abubakar Sadiogo.
Other backward is
Mama Sampa.
Now backward is
Abubakar Sanyogo.
You are large man.
Se Sam Kufu Bobia.
Casa Sobeshi.
Casa Sobeshi Maseha. Sane people no. E dia ba. Salajela ma. Asamanfu. Papa Mawie.
Alai Mate, ma memfa me call it on 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 0548 931 931. Rocky.
Odi hin ewo ambulance mo. Odo ti honorable.
Wa jo die we bia kazabi.
We para no wa ni bukuru.
Ya go.
Abu dia bi yan ndi tere de ni ati on kran. Enura no eye oma ya dikata athlete. Se akra so fu omi team qualify. Asana ka pe se omo fu omo nta pro omo ka pepesi omo nta qualify anga na di boni di akwesi. Enura de no mo e de no nkoyi. Iti move on. Now one day, yes, activity. If some team only on more than one hour, the same league one team not to be sick. Yeah, the Caramo and Batra.
Say, Medasi, me pacho Diani baby Akasafi.
Hello. Mr. Budia, na pombo kwa de.
Me won ya na so e Udini baby Afefi.
Opa yikese Roman Vadan. Mr. Budia. Wọ́n ma mi fa akọ̀nyẹ̀rẹ̀ mi chacha ma Christopher Damenya wá sí àṣẹ na engineer Pablo Usodio mi ní ìrìn àbá àdàpọ̀ mọ́ o ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí di na ọ̀ṣẹ̀dá rẹ̀ o na ọba yìí kẹsẹ̀ aṣọ fóòkù díẹ̀ ní kọ̀tọ̀kọ̀ ní bíẹ́ nìwọ̀ ọ̀bọ̀bọ̀ mọ́ yẹn sẹ́ aṣọ fóòkù bìkọ́ ha àṣẹ no yẹ̀hwẹ́ fọ́ọ̀mù àná ọmọ ọ̀sẹ̀rẹ̀ 84 briefs àyàtì sẹ́ Barcelona ní Madrid bọ̀ ní sọ́wọ́dì àṣẹ yẹn ní Madrid no kọ̀tọ̀kọ̀fọ̀ yẹn ní Madrid no sọ́wọ́dì àṣẹ Yakubu nchira omo se omo wachini abuwa mo asufu omadi nto ana everyone ye ko mo chew adeti na banga ana feso has for player you know omo for mo ket na set no mo pesi kedi di teams no that's na class no mo ti na develop ma press kedi o se ye se team no thank you o mi ka ko ko di ato je ko
ante me ran sro wan fara me pa cho Diani baby Akasafi.
Abẹ́mọ̀ yìí, Kámẹ́sọ́nà abẹ́mọ̀ yìí, ọ̀ṣẹ́nu abẹ́mọ̀ yìí. Champion, Abuja bí.
Ona Scopi.
Abẹ́rẹ́ sọ́mọ̀ ìdíjẹ́ mọ̀ kọ́ díẹ̀.
Me won ya na so e.
Already have to tell I'm going to tell them to pass the yellow shot of food. I done at the yellow shot. I would say, I was there. And then there's a house of folk today. The house of folk supporter. Now, the many didn't say, the near you. I buy you for no. The best way to mind you more so. Young mistake, we are in Africa, but I know. So, God, and then I let that tell you, and then I'll come up to one. We are so much to them as you got that. And never possibly get.
Mate me rasi ona school. Me pa cho tiani baby akasafi.
Atafu mwesiri. Ya mo para mzakano. Ya fra me kene. Me do na fra me kama kiji. Me kaza kiri wasa reason.
Tiago.
Aha, de me kaza ko mo mti answer zada se. Because I was saying what now give me about ya
Mate Kenneth, Mammy Fobu, I'm about to DNA baby akasafi.
Tibajo, the friend on number one. I found Sufi Assembly, my papa, and make a sense. And some have to say, I have to folk. Got a prevent me. Oh, blame Mr. First, I found much to go say. The Korean say, I'm silent for 4 years. You're going to be back on my father. You're not asking you. Therefore, you come as somewhere near me. But you have first our heart and dimension. Now, what was I want? Mother! First, now go for number Chancellor more, and it's my love. Maybe not have a below, Mother. The Mutu Mother. Mother, I'm not the real Papa, and I'm not asking before. And what am I going to buy you? Me on my bono. Don't you have to take on summer football. I don't know about one of the house. It's what you do. I don't want my house.
Mate, me da se me pa cho DNA baby akasafi. Hello. Mama sign brahasi. Me pa cho DNA baby akasafi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Robert.
Boko there.
Oh, yeah, now where?
I am a problem. Let me tell you what I take you to out for another continue before. I don't matter passport Shamunas. I need you to see me. I have brought a class of poker and then your man and Jampa. I can say. I'm prefer to go the view be answered. To Buffalo, yes, sir, Papa. The view be a large activity. Yahutamako. I can't see that for me. I can't see that. I can't see one again. Mama, the first of all, Papa.
Ate, mera se me pa cho DNA baby akasafi. Me hwena me foba. Me pa cho DNA baby akasafi.
Oh, I would have it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's a gentleman.
Pa cho di.
Mr. Boat, and you know that.
Yankwe, boat.
And then we are papa. I can't go down across the book.
Kafra, Rocky Uncle Winoso. Baba cho DNA baby akasafi.
Every Jesus. Because I feel.
Me ba cho meet you.
Near cost. I'm fun. I'm on for I could fat play if we people other who kill it, your colleague, who kill it, at all a whole country number was only so. I'm on for I get the away. Monk can watch and I'm blame class. That's when you're there, the legal more bono. They can't even move. As long as it's only move blame class.
Mate, mera se me pa cho na twa to DNA baby akasafi. Hello. Baba cho te menka. Roge, ye fancy the network na ageno. Ye ko na minimum to aso de amanya bo chene baba 7 to 7:30